Welcome to Windows Fixer, the place where we fix your PC glitches, crashes, and those annoying bugs that just refuse to go away. Today, we're diving into a pretty frustrating issue when the snipping tool just stops working, doesn't open, or maybe it opens and immediately crashes. Whether you're on Windows 10 or Windows 11, I've got you covered with working solutions that actually fix the problem. And yeah, no need to panic or reinstall your system. Most of these fixes are quick, and I'll walk you through each one step by step. Alright, let's start with this. So instead of treating Windows 11 and Windows 10 as totally different cases, I'm going to explain them side by side. Because honestly, the methods that fix the snipping tool are nearly the same in both, just with slightly different reasons why they're broken in the first place. Reason 1 now, if you're on Windows 11 and your snipping tool stopped working after a recent update, especially one that came around March 2025, then you might be dealing with a bugged patch or an expired certificate issue. These updates are known to cause app crashes or even completely block the snipping tool from opening. On the other hand, Windows 10 users, if you upgraded from an older version to a newer build, there's a good chance your system still has leftover files from the old classic snipping tool. Sometimes those older files don't merge correctly with the newer snip and sketch tool. So in both cases, the result is the same. The app fails to launch or crashes right away. Here's what you can do. First, press the Windows key, then type Apps and Features and open it. Scroll down and look for Snipping Tool or Snip and Sketch, whichever one appears on your system. Click on it once and you'll see a small option called Advanced Options. Open that. Now scroll a bit and hit the Reset button, then confirm again. What this does is it clears corrupted cache or buggy leftover files without removing the app. It's like giving Snipping Tool a fresh restart. Once done, go back and try launching Snipping Tool. If it opens and starts working, then you're good. If not, don't worry. We're just getting started. Now let's casually move into the next thing that often causes this tool to fail. Reason 2. On Windows 10, some users found that the print screen key just stopped responding. Turns out, on some builds, this key might be disabled by default, especially after updates. And this affects the snipping tool because that key is also used to trigger it. Now in Windows 11, there's a different path for this. It's under Accessibility Settings. So whether you're using 10 or 11, we're going to check and fix this print screen key issue. Here's how to do that. Press the Windows key, then type Settings and open it. Now scroll down and look for Accessibility. Once you're inside Accessibility Settings, scroll again until you see Keyboard and click on it. Now here's the important part. You'll find an option that says Use the print screen key to open Snipping Tool. Make sure this is turned on. If it was already off, just toggle it, wait a second, and then try using the key again. This fix works on both Windows 10 and 11, though the location may slightly differ in the older OS. But the idea is the same, re-enable the shortcut to wake up the snipping tool. Let's move to the next fix, which is a bit more advanced but still easy to do. Reason 3. This one's related to the Group Policy Editor, which controls system-level permissions and settings. Sometimes, especially if you're on a work computer or if you've used privacy debloaters before, the snipping tool might be blocked through group policy. To fix that, press the Windows key, type Run, and open it. Now type this, gpedit.msc, and hit Enter. This will open the Group Policy Editor. Now carefully follow this path. First, open User Configuration. Then click on Administrative Templates. Next, go into Windows Components. And from there, look for a folder named Tablet PC. Inside that, click on Accessories. You should now see a setting called Do Not Allow Snipping Tool to Run. Double-click on that. Make sure it's either set to Not Configured or Disabled. If it was set to Enabled, that means the tool was manually blocked, and this will stop it from launching no matter what. Once you make the change, click Apply, then OK, and close everything. Restart your system to fully apply the policy refresh. This method works on both Windows 10 and 11. Again, the interface might look slightly different, but the steps are the same. Now, just before we wrap up, here's one small bonus fix in case the tool still refuses to work. You can use the classic Snipping Tool executable if you're dealing with an upgrade glitch. Here's what to do. Press Windows plus R to open Run. Then type snippingtool.exe and press Enter. This will try to launch the legacy version directly. If it opens, just pin it to the taskbar for quick access. Sometimes this older tool works better if your system has upgrade leftovers or registry conflicts with the newer Snip and Sketch version. and that's all you need to fix the snipping tool on both Windows 10 and Windows 11. You don't need to reset your whole system or dig too deep. Just go through each of these calmly. One of them will definitely solve it. Thanks for watching Windows Fixer. If this helped you out, drop a like so others can find it too. And if you're still facing issues, let us know in the comments. We always reply with working solutions. Catch you in the next one. Until then, take care and happy fixing.